As I have discussed you earlier, when the pollen is released, either it may be binucleated or trinucleated or bi-celled or tri-celled stage, it is the responsibility of the stigma to recognize the compatible or self or incompatible, that means non-self pollen. If the pollen is compatible, that means when it is compatible or not compatible or incompatible can be recognized, it is the result of continuous dialogue between the pollen and the stigma. That means stigma has the capacity to recognize the compatible pollen. If the pollen is compatible, that means it is self-pollen, which can be responsible for the process of global fertilization, then only the germ pore will release the pollen tube. So now, if it is three-celled pollen, in the proximal part of pollen tube, there occurs a vegetative cell or tube cell. And after it, two male gametes, which are haploid in nature, they will occur. Now what happened? We know that the ovary is the site where ovules are located. And the ovule is attached to the wall of the ovary with the help of a specialized tissue known as placenta. Now, inside the ovule, we know that the female gametophyte is produced during the development of female gametophyte. Now, during the pollen-pistil interaction, the pollen tube will become longer, and passing through the style, it will reach to the micropyle region of the ovule. We know that in female gametophyte there occurs three antipodal cells, a single central nucleus or central cell or secondary nucleus, and an egg apparatus which contains two synergids and an egg cell. We have also studied that the surface of the synergids towards the micropyle is having a specialized thickening which is known as filiform apparatus. So now what happens? When the pollen tube reaches to the micropyle end of the ovule, and then when it reaches completely towards the female gametophyte, it will reach to the filiform apparatus of the synergy. It is known that it is stated that the filiform apparatus of the synergids produce a specialized enzyme known as cellulase, and it will digest the proximal part of pollen tube, and so that a continuous passage is formed between the female gametophyte and the pollen tube, and because of the result, both the gametes, both the male gametes, both the haploid male gametes become free in the cytoplasm of a synergid, from where they enter into the female gametophyte. So, the transfer of pollen, the establishment of pollen, the germination of pollen, the formation of pollen tube, the reaching of pollen tube to the micropyle, and the release of male gametes in the female gametophyte together term as pollen-pistil interaction. And this phenomenon, this condition leads to another facility that is known as double fertilization. So my friends, in next time we will study the process of double fertilization and then after embryo and endosperm developments, right?